everybody, this is your nutrition in 90 seconds. So today, briefly, I'm going to talk about the top 3 things that you need to be healthier. Number 1, discipline. Number 2 will be denying the flesh. Number 3 will be changing your mindset. So when you think about the word discipline, it's pretty much like the process of overcoming some type of weakness. What it takes for you to overcome some type of weakness that you may have. It takes a discipline, like you're disciplining yourself, or you having some type of self-control to overcome that weakness. Now, when it comes down to health or having a healthy lifestyle, food may be your weakness, or not just food, a certain type of food may be your weakness. So it's like getting to the point where that you're overcoming that. That's not a weakness anymore. Disciplining yourself, doing what it takes to overcome that. Number 2, we're talking about denying the flesh. We all know the flesh. Even the Bible talks about the flesh. We have to deny the flesh. But did you know even when it comes down to your eating, you have to deny the flesh too? The flesh craves in certain foods. You want certain things when you feel a certain way. So denying the flesh, certain types of foods or a certain amount of a certain kind of food, you need to be able to do that. The last thing is change your mindset. How do you see food? How do you see your life? How do you see how you look? That has a lot to do with your outcome. I always talk about small steps equal big change. What mindset do you have about the goals as it relates to your health? Do you believe you can do it? Do you have a negative mindset about it? Or do you believe that, hey, I can do all things through Christ? Even when it comes down to health, you have to have a healthy mindset. So I just want to briefly just share those top 3 things that it takes to have a healthier lifestyle. And don't forget to check out my website at www.stepsforchange.net. And I will see you guys later.